Hiya kids.
Hello.
Hello, what day is it?
Christmas Day.
Christmas Day?
Christmas Eve.
Christmas Eve, so what day's tomorrow?
Christmas Day.
Christmas Day, that's right. Hello Ellie.
Say hello. Hi.
So Joshua,
Yeah.
what do you want for Christmas?
Guess who?
Guess who? What's that all about?
Hello.
What's that again?
You gotta guess the people.
Oh, alright.
Hello.
Hello. And what else?
A game for my computer.
Oh yeah.
And the hotel.
Hotel? What's the hotel?
Can't remember now.
You can't remember. Is it good?
Mhm.
Yeah? That's a game for your computer, a hotel, hello Els,
And guess who?
and guess who? Anything else?
Some clothes.
Some clothes? What kind of clothes?
Hello.
Hello.
Like that.
Yeah? Like that. So how about Ellie? 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 What do you want for Christmas? Hey? Ellie? Ellie?
Yeah.
What's Father Christmas going to bring you?
Okay.
Sorry?
Okay.
Winnie the Pooh, what else?
I'm happy.
Teletubbies? Yeah? And where's Father Christmas going to come down? How does Father Christmas get in the house?
First wife turned the telly off and then she went with it and then she said, just talk to you.
Well, go on then. Right.
Hello.
You listening?
Yeah.
How does Father Christmas get into the house?
Me.
Ellie?
Jimmy.
Chimney.
Chimney.
Down the chimney. Yeah? And what are we going to leave for Father Christmas?
Mince pies, beer, and for the reindeers, a carrot, some carrots.
How many reindeers are there? Josh?
Hmm?
How many reindeers are there?
8.
8. So it's 8 carrots we're going to have to leave.
Mm.
So Ellie? Ellie?
Oh, right.
Are you looking forward to tomorrow?
Okay. Oh.
Yeah? Right, just a big smile. Just a big smile, Ellie.
Smile. Give him a big smile.
Give me a big smile. Nice smile. Nice smile. That's lovely smile. And say, see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Say, see you tomorrow, Ellie. 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 Say bye.